How to create a class in Google Classroom. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily create a class in Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Google Chrome and go to the Google Apps button right here and find Google Classroom. So just go ahead and click on this one. Once you go to Google Classroom, you can create your own class. So in order to do that, click on Create Class, or you can click on this plus icon at the top and then click on Create Class. Now select that you've read terms and conditions, click on Continue. Now name the class. So let's just name it Test. You can add a section. Now you can add subject. So let's just do video. And then you can name the room as well. So I'm just going to create without adding the room. And as you can see here, this is the class code. And if you share this with anyone, they will be able to join the class. You can even customize your banner, like selecting a picture, uploading a photo, or you could just select different kind of color themes. And once you've done that, you can invite members. So you can do that by going ahead and clicking on the settings option. And then from here on the invite codes, you can manage the invite code right here. Just copy it. And then you can share it to whoever you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.